What's up guys, it's Ross. Today we're doing a walk around video, this beautiful Acadia Denali. Check it out. This is a 2019 GMC Acadia Denali with panoramic sunroof, heated and cooled seats, third row with second row bucket seats. It's got the backup camera, it's got navigation, it's got a heated steering wheel. This thing's got everything. And you can lug the kids around too and they'll be happy because it's such a nice car. They'll tell all their friends to come buy a car with Ross too because, hey, this thing is nicer than the thing they've been in before, I can promise you that. I'm not saying it wasn't nice, but this one's probably better. That's why you're watching the video, right? And it's got the nice heated seats in the second row so your children can enjoy the luxuries that you enjoy in the front. And you got the two seats back there with the seat belts, lots of room. You've got the rear air conditioning so you guys can all be picky about what you want the temperature set at. Pretty cool, eh? You got the nice wood grain trim around the interior, 20-inch premium wheels. You got Bose premium sound system with subwoofers. Man, what more could you ask for? And if you like this Acadia here, just give me a shout, call me or text me. My number is 517-435-0350. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you like this video, and please show a friend. Thanks. I almost forgot. It's got 66,000 miles and the price is $23,400. The cheapest you'll find around right now. So hey, another reason to come buy it now, right?